If a business owner is interested in security fog systems, what are the first steps to get started?
So if business owners or the homeowners or anybody are interested in the security fogging devices, this is what they have to do. They have to contact us. We do work with many integrators which are certified to work with our system to do a proper evaluation, proper assessment of what needs to be done. So they would come, or anybody from our company would come, and we do the risk assessment. We would look at the floor plan, we would see what needs to be done, where we need to install it, how we need to protect that. So that's the first step that we need to do. So once they contact us, we're going to dispatch our dealers and installers, integrators, to go and assess what needs to be done. So once that assess, we do come with a plan, and we do explain to a client what it needs to be done and why are we doing it the way we're trying to do, protect, because we would like to eliminate every possible intrusion inside, but not to overkill it because it's really not needed. So really installation in the proper spaces, it's what is needed and how we do installation. So once that is assessed, we come with a quote and we present to customer a quote, and they mostly decide to go with and do the installation. So please do contact us. We'll put you on in contact with our installers, or if you go to our website, you will also find all our dealers, distributors that can help you out. So again, keep in mind, there is a little bit of a process because we need to evaluate the risk factors, where we need to install, and how many systems, and what's the area that we are covering.
Need a security system installed? Finding a trusted, qualified integrator isn't easy. Pipl Systems is a platform to find verified, professional security integrators. Browse by location, see real projects, and choose a company you can actually trust. Pipl Systems. Find your trusted security integrator today.